Hello. Today the cat are 819 days old. Young baby, young mom. Uncle big boy. The first generation of young lady children today are 339 days old. Crazy mom. And the second generation. Today are 191 days old. And the third generation. Today are 65 days old. One of them last night from the balcony fell down. I go looking for her, for him, but still I cannot find him. Maybe later he make a noise, I can find the place of him. But now I couldn't find him. Young lady, where is your baby? Don't care. She's looking for boyfriend. Don't care about the kids. Don't care about anything. Only, what can I say? Where is your dad? Where is your brother? Okay, have a nice time. Bye.